Hi guys, we are going to read a lovely story. So if you want to get settled and have a sit down with a blanket, we will read We're Going on a Bear Hunt. So we're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, grass. Long, wavy grass. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, a river. A deep, cold river. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Splash, splosh, splash, splosh, splash, splosh. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, mud. Thick, oozy mud. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we have to go through it. Squelch, squirch, squelch, squirch. You can see the footprints in the mud. Squelch, squirch. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, a forest. A deep, big, dark forest. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip. I can see the doggy there and all the people. Oh, we're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, a snowstorm. A swirling, whirling snowstorm. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Ooh, all that snow and wind. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, a cave. A narrow, gloomy cave. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no, we've got to go through it. Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. What's that? One shiny wet nose. Two big furry ears. Two big goggly eyes. It's a bear! Quick! Back through the cave. Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. Back through the snowstorm. Woo! Back through the forest. Stumble, trip, stumble, trip. Back through the mud. Squelch, squirch, squelch, squirch. Back through the river. Splash, splosh, splash, splosh. And back through the grass. Swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy. Oh, the bear's catching up. Get to our front door. Open the door. We go up the stairs. We forgot to shut the door. Back down the stairs.
Right.
Shut the door. Back upstairs. Into the bedroom. Into the bed. Under the covers. We're not going on a bear hunt again. Oh, they're all snuggly in there, hiding from that bear. I hope you're all snuggly at home in your blankets. There's the Bear walking back to his cave. Bye, Bear. I hope you enjoyed that story, guys. And we're missing you lots. And we'll hopefully see you soon. Bye.